Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this 2016 on a 66 registration Mini Cooper SD. Now this is the 2-litre engine, so it's the biggest of those diesel engines with mega horsepower, I think 140 brake horsepower. Now this is the 5-door car finished in electric blue metallic. Now it's got the optional extra of the white roof, white mirror caps and the bonnet stripes as well. Now the Cooper S gets the more, shall we say, featured front bumper and it sits on these lovely 17-inch wheels. Now we took the car in part exchange off the last keeper and they bought it from the Mini dealer with 11,000 miles on, so they've just done over 38,000 miles whilst they've owned it. Car's got some great service history, 3 services. Services on these, according to the Mini book, are about 25,000 miles or every 24 months, so that's every 2 years. But the car itself is service on demand and the wheels are all lovely order. You can see the car just looks, I would say this is the best colour for a Mini. It looks fresh, it looks clean, it looks new, and then again the mirror caps in white and with the white roof, that just sets the vehicle off really nice. Now the outside of the car, you get the chrome door handles, then as we come round the back we then get the more louvered rear bumper with the centre twin tailpipe exhaust system, as you can see there, and that sits nice. And then you get the number plate trim is all in black. Cooper SD, as it says there, so it's not just your average Mini, this is the top of the range car. Now in the boot we get a nicer larger boot on a 5-door vehicle, and then underneath the floor there we then get the tyre inflation set with the locking wheel nut, and that's not been used, which is nice to see. Car's running at the moment, but a real nice vehicle throughout. So we've got 2 keys, we've got the book pack, all the wheels are in super order, saying that the black and the chrome style, like the chrome petrol cap as well on a Cooper S, just sort of finishes that outside look really well. So having a look inside the car now, we get what we call the carbon interior style cloth. Now they have extended sports seats, and then we get the sort of stripe down both with the contrast white stitch throughout. 4 electric windows, electric door mirrors, high gloss black detailing inside, cruise control, speed limiter on the steering wheel, and then also multifunction steering wheel as well. Now the car's done 49,618 miles. Nice options on this one. This has got the media pack extra large. Everybody likes extra large, don't they? Whether it be a McDonald's or whatever. But you can split the screen. We can go to, obviously, navigation, map. As you can see there, we can zoom in and out of the world, which is really nice. As you can see, in we go, start guidance, or we can go back. We then have the media system, so you've got then downloaded music collection, radio, which is DAB, Bluetooth phone as well, but also, as I say, if you went to menu, we can go through each one of those, Mini connected, Mini information, settings, navigation, radio. So a multimedia system, we can change the outside colours of that screen also. Then going down we've got the air conditioning system, which is just a light touch of that button. And then we've got the auxiliary and also USB there. These cars have a 6-speed transmission, so first and second are really close together, and then you get nice cruising gears at 4, 5 and 6. Now the centre section then has the media panel that you can adjust, and then we do have there is ability to have a phone charger in there, but a nice armrest that does then fold away out of the way if you don't need. Now I don't smoke, and I can tell you that the last keepers haven't. Do like that checkered flag detail on there, very nice detail indeed. Leather trim steering wheel with an onboard computer, nice looking out from here. Very nice car, quite quiet for a as you rev it up there. It's a nice quiet engine. Heater system's really warm, but you get the gloss black detail on the doors as well. That's a nice feature on a Mini Cooper S. Now we'll have a look in the rear, because I don't think it's really had many people in the rear. Very, very nicely kept car this. When you have a pop in these 5 doors, so you've got the Isofix there. If you do have infant chairs, you can just clip them in. The seats are exactly the same as that in the front, so they've got the white detail, they've got the stripes up and down, 3 seat belts in the rear, cup holder in the centre. Nice all the way around. A lovely, lovely car. So if you'd like any more information on this, give us a call here in Wigan. We can take a £250 refundable deposit. That will allow us to prepare the car for you to the highest of standards. So we take the wheels off, we'll polish, we'll detail them, we'll detail the calipers, we'll detail the discs. The car's had a full machine polish, and also internal, it's had a full shampoo as well, so it's fresh as it was when it left the factory. Have a look at our Facebook and social channels. You'll see lots of customers like yourself collecting cars from us. We're a 5-star dealer here in Wigan, with Car Gurus, with Auto Trader. You'll see we've got some fantastic reviews. Don't let me tell you how we do things here, but we've been doing this job for over 40 years here in Wigan. Let our customers who bought vehicles from us recently tell you. So if you'd like any more information or a part exchange, give us a call. We'll be happy to help in any way we can. I'm Graham, we've got Dom, and we've got Lee. Either one of us, we're all a team. We're happy to help you in any way we can. Well, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.